Ladies and gentlemen, last night I told you that the Rajini factor in the political landscape of Tamil Nadu cannot be put aside. Tonight, three parties are competing for his support and all eyes are on who Rajinikanth will back. Let's debate.
His decision to withdraw launch of political parties sent a wave of disappointment among his fans. But the buzz around Rajini factor cannot be ruled out. That's why in 1996, when he said, if Jayalalitha returns to power, even God cannot save Tamil Nadu, AIADMK loss was attributed to Rajini. In 2004, he pledged support to the NDA. And in 2014, his meeting with Narendra Modi before the general elections was the most talked about. Months away from Tamil Nadu elections, Rajini still plays a role in the campaign. Parties are vying for his support.
We respect Rajinikanth decisions. He is one of the strongest patriot. Always he stood with national interest. He will stand up with national interest also, we hope.
With over 1.5 lakh fan clubs with at least 10,000 followers in each, Rajini's clout cannot be dismissed. Rajini's friend turned politician Kamal Haasan too knows the fact.
அது அவர்தான் முடிவு பண்ணணும். நான் இப்போ அவருக்காக பேசுவது என்பது நியாயமா இருக்கு. அதனால தான் நான் சொன்னேன், சென்னை சென்று அவரை சந்திப்பேன், எப்படியும் சந்திப்பேன். அவர் இந்த முடிவை எடுத்திருந்தாலும் எடுக்காவிட்டாலும் நாங்கள் சந்தித்திருப்போம்.
And at a time like this, all eyes will be on Rajini's next move. Who will the Thalaiva support? Let's debate.
Okay, on the debate we have Khushbu Sundar of the BJP, Apsara Reddy of the ADMK, C. Rajashekaran, Prakash Swamy is with us from Chennai, senior journalist, Advocate M. Sridhar, good evening. Arvind A. from Chennai, lawyer and political activist, analyst, good evening. Paki will be joining us, senior journalist from Chennai, Priyant Srinivasan and Hemachandran. So we have a diverse panel. Now, is the fight for the 21 elections, Khushbu, now a fight for Rajini? I get a feeling it was. Kamal Haasan says he will get Rajini's support. Your party, the BJP, says you are making an outreach to Rajini. ADMK, Apsara's party, says we are going to get Rajini's support. I mean, I think Rajini has become the only issue now. He was not this big an issue till yesterday. Now that he's not fighting the elections, it seems the whole election is about who Rajini will support. Khushbu, what's going on? Has everything else become a lesser issue now?
Nothing is going on. BJP has never said we are reaching out to Rajini or we are seeking his support. If he comes into politics, well and good. If he wants to be part of BJP,
yes,
he's most welcome to come and join hands with us, is what we have always maintained. And today, when Rajini says that he is not going to be part of any political foray, any political interest, then it's definitely a big loss for the people of Tamil Nadu, especially his fans, who have been waiting to see their superstar, a personality who actually they look up to and they worship. They are completely disappointed. And I think who Rajini will support is still depending on him. I think only at the time of voting he's going to go and vote and you will know. And that's why it is in closed doors, because nobody knows who you're voting for. So we, BJP, reaching out and seeking Rajini's support is baseless. We always said he definitely does share a very good rapport with our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and what they share is between them. Who Rajini sir wants to support, it depends on Rajini sir when he takes a call on that.
Advocate M. Sridhar is State Joint Secretary of the MNM. Your party chief in Pudukkottai openly said, once I reach Chennai, I will definitely ask for his support. He's been claiming that he grew up in Rajini's lap. He says, my Rajini. These are all, this symbolism is more political than personal. This symbolism, Advocate Sridhar, please tell Kamala Haasan that Arnab felt that your symbolism is more political than personal. You are trying to take political capital of a personal relationship. Why? Why don't you separate the two?
No, I totally differ with you. See, here the issue is there are people, honest people, come together to save Tamil Nadu from corruption. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. My party president is going to approach Mr. Rajinikanth for the support and take his support. That is nothing wrong. See, here the people have got. See, Rajini has clearly said this government has to go. It's absolutely a corrupted people, and the change has to come.
Apsara Reddy on the left.
Just going on. When he just goes out of the saying that he's not
No, but
say that, and he still says that I want to serve the people of Tamil Nadu. So the concept is our leader is going to beat Rajinikanth and seek his support. That is, he's made it very clear. The 40-year relationship should culminate into something good for the people.
that means if your leader does not get Rajinikanth support, his campaign is over. No, but then Kamal Haasan has also put himself in such a situation. Should he come out of the meeting and not get the full endorsement of... No. I think, should he not get Rajinikanth support, then Kamal Haasan should pack up his campaign.
No, nothing like that. We have started the party before he has started this party.
Arnab, I'd like to come in here.
Of course, you cannot say that one person is not supporting that we have to pack up.
You were just
We are here.
Rajni 2 minutes back, now you became anti-Rajni.
No, I'm not anti-Rajini. We are saying that we will
No,
seek
you are
his
all
support.
making
That
outreaches,
is
and
wrong.
even the ADMK of Apsara, even the
Arnab,
Deputy
I
Chief
don't
Minister
think
Pannirselvam, he's also indicating that he wants Rajni support. What, you people don't have any confidence in yourself? You know, you are putting yourself in a very precarious
AIDMK
position,
has never
Apsara,
said that we
where
want
tomorrow,
Rajinikanth support.
suppose Rajinikanth says, okay, I back
Let me answer you,
BJP.
Arnab.
I back BJP, then the election is over. Then BJP will win.
No, first of all, AIDMK has not reached out to Rajni for any political support. Yes, Rajni shares a very warm relationship with our Deputy Chief Minister. Our Chief Minister as well has attended personal functions of Mr. Rajinikanth.
There you go.
I think Rajinikanth is a superstar
There
of
you
Tamil
go.
Nadu who everybody enjoys his friendship. But I don't think Rajinikanth's support will mean anything to the AIDMK in that sense, because we've sustained this long as a political force. Rajinikanth has not even launched his political party. So I don't really think
What are you
Rajinikanth
saying? You
can sway
desperately need his
the vote
support. You
for
are fraught
against
with
the AIDMK.
factions.
I think we're a very strong party.
You are fraught with factions.
Not at all. I think we've, in fact, if you listen to our
No,
Chief
you've
Minister,
got all
if you look
factions
at our
and
Chief
groups,
Minister's
I'm told,
speech
in your
today,
party. There's an
AIDMK
absence
is very
of cohesion,
united.
I'm told.
We have no anti-incumbency
There are groups
in the
of Palaniswamy, there are
Mr.
groups of...
Narendra Modi,
See, I may
Mr.
be...
Amit
No,
Shah, Mr.
even
Paneerselvam
from...
and Mr.
Even, I may not be working out of
excellent
Chennai, but
relationship with the
let me
centre.
tell you, if you say we have no factions, you know what's going to happen is, if you say you have no factions, who's going to believe you? Who in Chennai will say? Isn't there a Pannirselvam faction? Isn't there a Palaniswamy faction? By the way, which faction are you in?
Not at all. I think
You're also in one of the factions,
I
right?
am part of the United AIADMK and the two-leaf symbol. I'm part of the AIADMK, which is the United faction, which is the United Party, and Mr. Edappadi Palaniswamy is the
So
CM
do you need
candidate, and Mr.
Rajinikanth to
O.
unite the
Pannirselvam is party
AIDMK?
head. I think there's a very united. Not at all. I think Rajinikanth should first enter politics to even make a significant
You
difference.
have to have a steering committee within your party to decide the chief ministerial candidate. No, you need it because you don't have a face. You see, you need a face. You need
That doesn't
Rajnikant. All of
matter
you
as
need
long- as
Rajnikant.
long-
Khushbu, you need Rajnikant also. The fact is, none of
I
you are
think
willing
we
to
bank on
accept
our
it.
governance
No,
and
no,
our-
it's all right. I'll get others in. Paki, can you hear me? Paki,
Yeah.
senior journalist from
Thank
Chennai,
you,
can you hear me,
Mr.
sir?
Abbas.
Paki, senior journalist from Chennai, can you hear me, sir?
We have one.
No,
Yeah,
everybody
please,
says they
yeah,
need
yeah,
Rajnikant,
yeah.
but nobody is willing to acknowledge it. Why?
Hello? I'm sorry?
They all need Rajnikant, but they don't have the humility to accept it and say so on air. Why?
I'm sorry, I'm not able to follow. That you want people are not able to accept Rajinikanth?
I was just saying...
People are not able to accept Rajinikanth?
No, I was saying,
say some
sir,
problem.
that everybody needs Rajnikant.
Yes.
No, I'll try and shout out louder.
Yeah, please.
Everybody,
Please, louder, please. Sorry for troubling you.
everybody needs Rajnikant, but does not have the humility to say they need him.
I don't think everybody needs Rajinikanth. Maybe Rajinikanth's magic worked out in 1996. Later, it did not take up. You must remember that when he said powerful magic saying that even God cannot save if Jayalalitha comes back to power. That worked out. Immediately after 2 years, when 1998 the parliament election took place, his mantra did not work out. So I don't think anybody is after him. It is a myth, I feel. It is a hype that Rajinikanth's popularity will be translated into political case. I don't think
it's
so.
great honor to
In
be
fact,
in your show again.
in fact, by giving up a political career, he has avoided the embarrassment to his own fans. That is what I feel.
Arnab, it's great honor to be in your show again. Where Rajinikanth
you are
is still
saying
a force in Tamil Nadu.
Prakash Swamy.
Yes, sir. It's great honor to be in your show again, Arnab. And Rajini is still a force in Tamil Nadu. That's why people are wooing him. But he is definitely not going to join or support any political party. That is for sure. If that is the case, he would have started his own political outfit. But the chances of him supporting Kamal Haasan is ruled out because Kamal Haasan is a communist and Rajinikanth is a nationalist. Kamal Haasan is an atheist and Rajinikanth is a spiritual person. So there's a huge ideological difference between the two. And also the fans won't accept Kamal Haasan as a chief minister when Rajinikanth is around. So that alliance is ruled out. The possibility of an alliance, very remote possibility, is with BJP because he and Modi ji are very close friends. That's the only possibility. Other than that, he may just give a statement saying that I want a clean government, good government to come, just to say that he's not supporting anybody. So I don't think he's going to back any political party in the coming election.
Arnab, we need to see two different statements from each political party, pre-announcement of Rajini as well as post-announcement of Rajini. The statement varies because your title says that fight for Rajini. When Rajinikanth announced that he is entering politics, everyone fought with Rajini. But when he said he's going to quit, everyone is fighting for Rajini. So that is the aura, that is the impact he can create in politics now. But obviously, definitely, I think he won't support any Dravidian parties because he is for spiritual politics and he is not for Dravidian politics. If spiritual politics, the only option is BJP, as others said. The other option definitely might look at is Kamal Haasan. It's because of his friendship and also long friendship, and also the one person who welcomed Rajini at the beginning, who entered in the politics, was Kamal Haasan. I feel that we can't underestimate the rapport and the long-term relationship between Kamal Haasan and Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan were friends before Modi. Modi came into the picture now. But I feel that Rajini choice would be Kamal Haasan, considering the friendship and the rapport between them and creating an impact for alternate politics in Tamil Nadu. This is my view. And I feel that that's a low-hanging decision-making of Rajinikanth.
Well, if that happens, I would say Hemachandran, if that happens, if Rajini supports Kamal Haasan, then it's a game changer for Kamal Haasan, given his dismal performance of his party in the 2019 general elections, where Kamal Haasan's party lost all, and Rajshekaran has personal experience of working with Kamal Haasan. Kamal Haasan's party lost all the 38 seats it contested, got only 3.7% vote share. No, it'll be a game changer. It'll be a game changer. But will Rajini support Kamal Haasan?
Well, he should. People
That's
are
one way of
frustrated
looking
with
at it.
Rajinikanth. Just imagine something from Bhagavad Gita. Imagine Arjuna putting his Gandhivam
Bow down and not fighting the battle. Rajini has not even ready to fight the battle. And this man, Rajini, is nothing but an exaggeration. People are frustrated. Go and ask the people. And people will know. People who started, the people have even started party offices with their own rent. And they are now suffering. The fans of Rajini really frustrated. And this man who said the system is wrong and I'm going to change the system, and now says he's going to be affected by COVID and he's not going to come because he's not going to risk the lives of other people. But this is not Kamal.
Kamal has a clear vision and a clear path. And for your kind excuse, let me make this statement. Kamal Hassan is not completely dependent on Rajinikanth. Kamal Hassan is asking support from everybody. He even asked the support of IAS Sagayan. Kamal Hassan is not a person who has to depend just on Rajinikanth. And the charisma of Rajinikanth is nothing but an exaggeration. This man is not even ready to fight the battle. And MNM has got 17 lakh votes.
No, but Kamal Hassan needs Rajinikanth to emerge as a challenger to ADMK and DMK. Kamal Hassan needs Rajinikanth. No. Please, Arvind, I know you're a great, but without... Okay, Rajshekharan, why are you taking so much time to respond? Have you been appearing on too many Lutyens channels of late? You want me to invite you into the debate? Why are you being so polite? No, 1 minute is gone. I want Rajshekharan to respond. Rajshekharan, the fact is, everybody wants Rajinikanth, nobody wants to admit it. This is the irony. Khushbu's party wants Rajinikanth to a great extent. You are talking about percentage vote.
Not just Rajinikanth. He's not the deciding factor. Rajinikanth may be one of the factors, but not the only deciding factor.
Or we are waiting for him.
Yes, Khushbu? Khushbu, yes, I provoked you to respond. Khushbu, listen to me. I know you are now, you are very, very loyal member of the BJP. You are newly into the BJP, but your party has saw a minuscule increase from 2.9% to 3.7% between the Assembly and the Lok Sabha. You need Rajni, sir. You must say it. You must be different on the program from everyone else. You must be the only person on the program who honestly says we need Rajni sir's support. Don't be like all these other people. Don't be like Apsara who needs Rajni's support but will not admit it. Differentiate yourself.
I say BJP, the kind of growth BJP has shown in Jammu and Kashmir, the kind of growth BJP has shown in Telangana, the kind of growth BJP has shown in Arunachal Pradesh, the kind of growth BJP has shown in Kerala. I mean, people who said that we can never bloom, and here you have local blooming.
Tamil Nadu is not Arunachal Pradesh or Jammu or Kashmir or any Telangana.
So why not
Tamil Nadu politics far more complex and far more personality oriented. Tamil Nadu politics, I'll tell you why not Tamil Nadu. Because Tamil Nadu politics, Khushbu, come on now. Tamil Nadu politics is very personality oriented historically.
The times are going to change. It's for the first time 2021, both AIDMK and AIC are going to fight the election without a face, without these leaders who have built the party. DMK without Dr. Kalinger, without...
Lost the audio there in between. I lost the audio there. I mean, what's going on? Is someone going to make an honest admission?
I will speak. Let me make it very clear.
Based upon what am I giving? Well, because as far as
what are you giving
my knowledge
so
goes,
much of political cachet?
No. As far as my knowledge goes, oh, so from needing Rajni's support, you are now turning around, na? Apsara, look how you changed in 15 minutes. You just changed
Nobody
around.
wanted Rajni's support.
Changed
We
your
welcome
line.
anybody entering politics in a democracy.
Because you are getting nervous.
In a democracy, we welcome anybody entering politics. It doesn't mean we are holding out the red carpet for them to join us.
You are afraid of Rajni.
If Rajni was serious about politics, he should have
You are
launched his own
afraid of
political
Rajni
outfit.
because on 10th May this year,
on
10th May this year, Rajnikant had slammed the ADMK for its... Rajnikant had slammed your party for its decision to keep Tasmac shops open during the lockdown. And he said, if the Tamil Nadu government opens up the Tasmac liquor shops again at this point of time, they should forget their dream of coming back to power next time. That's why you hold a grouse against Rajni.
He's too busy shooting.
You hold a grouse against him.
Not at all. Not at all. I think Rajni will not
What do you
make
mean
a
he's too
difference
busy
at all in
shooting?
this
One
election.
word
Take
from
it
him
from me, BJP
can
and AIDMK will come back to
obliterate the
power.
ADMK.
I think that is giving him too much of...
He's not a factor in this election. Okay, Priyank Srinivasan.
I don't think it will work.
Importance. Yeah, okay. Advocate Sridhar of the MNM. Advocate Sridhar, according to Apsara, Kamal Hassan should not go running to Rajnikant for support because he's not even a factor. She said it. She said it. Apsara said it.
Not the only deciding factor. Please stop.
I didn't say that about Kamal Hassan.
You said that. You said that about Rajni, sir.
Exaggerating Rajnikant.
I didn't speak for Kamal Hassan. I spoke for AIDMK, not for Kamal Hassan.
They have one-line agenda. The system has to be changed. We cannot follow the same kind of corrupted government, exchanging every 5 years and ruling this Tamil Nadu party. We need the public of Tamil Nadu needs a change. That change is Kamal Hassan, and nothing wrong. Kamal Hassan is seeking the support of his 44 years of relationship. He knows what about the Kamal Hassan and Rajinikanth. The friendship has to play a big role in saving this Tamil Nadu.
Oh, Mr. Sridhar. Mr. Sridhar, you know, I decided today, Mr. Sridhar, listen to me, Advocate Sridhar, Right Honorable Advocate M. Sridhar, listen to me. Today I told myself that I'll be nice to everyone because it's the last live episode of the debate. I will not be rude, I will not shout, I'll be nice, I'll keep smiling, but Mr. Sridhar, please, I will have to take you on politely. You had mocked Rajni. You used to make fun of Rajni. Your leader, Kamal Hassan, whose voiceover is right on the start of my debate. I love Kamal Hassan's acting. When I was a young boy, I don't know, I went to see a movie called Ek Duje Ke Liye. I've been his fan ever since. You know, I used to think he used to sing all those songs himself. The question is this, Mr. Sridhar, Kamal Hassan, please ask him, did you not ask your leader Kamal Hassan after the program that Arnab said that you had mocked Rajnikant when he refused to fight the 2019 elections? And he said, Kamal Hassan said about Rajnikant, and I quote, you can't say I will fight on someday, people will not respect you. You were thumping your thighs as well. Why were you thumping? Just for sound? This is the language used by Kamal Hassan. 18th February 2019. And he said, you get ready, oil up your body, and once you come to the ring, you can't say, I will not fight. You were thumping your thighs. Why were you thumping your thighs? Just for sound? Were these not the words of Kamal Hassan? I'm translating from Tamil. Now he says, I grew up on Rajni's lap. My Rajni will support me. He didn't talk like this last year. Now that he's no Rajni is not in the ring, he's my Rajni. What are you doing, sir? You think I don't follow Tamil Nadu politics? Mr. Sridhar, you're quiet, no? You think Arnab does not follow Tamil Nadu politics? I do, sir.
I was also one of the candidates who stood in the election. We never pulled Rajini's name anywhere. We contested on our leadership for the quality, the 18 days of our sincere efforts.
No, but you made fun of Rajni, no? You attacked him, no?
We never made fun of any leaders.
Rajni had backed CA. Kamal Hassan was against CA. Chalk and cheese. There's nothing common between Kamal Hassan and Rajni, sir. Please don't ask for his support. Rajni sir will say there is nothing common between you and me. How can I support you?
What?
You used to oppose CA. Rajni was for CA.
No, he is very, very clear. The 44 years friendship.
Rajni said CA is not a threat for Muslims. Kamal Hassan was leading the protest against CA and NPR. Come on, sir. Priyan Srinivasan, please come into the debate, sir.
We are on one single agenda. Yes, honesty and no corruption government has to be formed for Tamil Nadu. That is the only single agenda which we have in front of us.
Well, anyway, let me throw this to Priyan Srinivasan. What's going on, Priyan? I lost the line with Priyan out there. Paki sir is on air. Paki sir, what's going to happen? I mean, whoever Rajni supports will get a boost, but who will be at the real disadvantage, in your view? Isn't it trouble for the DMK when Rajnikant could win back the anti-incumbency votes against the ADMK?
Active politics. He once said that he made a comment on Jayalalitha government because of some necessity. After that, I don't think he is interested in politics at all. And I must say one thing, every party will have Rajini's fan. They are now, if Rajini floats his own outfit, they will be in an embarrassing situation whether to support Rajini or support to their own party, their ideological commitment. So now that embarrassment is avoided because of his announcement yesterday. So I don't think Rajini will have any impact on Tamil Nadu politics. Similarly, Kamal Hassan also, he has already proved that last election he could not do. I just want to make a correction now in your statement that Kamal attributed Rajini's slap. He said, I grew up on MGR's slap. That is what he said. He wanted to identify with MGR. He wanted to identify with national parties. Now he says I'm a Dravidian. So he also confuses. I don't know whether Kamal Hassan has a clear...
I correct myself. That comment was... I correct myself. Paki sir, I correct myself. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. He said that I grew up on... It's my fault. My mistake. But having said that, he said I grew up on MGR's slab, which means...
no clear vision at all.
No.
So that is what I wanted to say. Both of them are, they don't have real commitment to the party.
Yeah, but he has said that I will seek Rajini's support. I don't understand, Raj Shekharan, I don't understand how Kamal Hassan can seek the support of someone who's ideologically and otherwise got nothing in common with him. If you look at the statements, the history, the leanings, the persuasion,
yes, Arnab.
You would agree, Paki sir, that there is nothing in common between Rajinikanth and Kamal Hassan. Yeah, so Raj Shekharan, yeah.
Arnab, yes, Arnab, see, there is a sea difference between Kamal Hassan and Mr. Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth is a good human being and Kamal Hassan is not. Rajinikanth is a humble man. Kamal Hassan is an arrogant man. Rajinikanth is not greedy. Kamal Hassan is greedy. Politically, Rajinikanth was always right. Politically, Kamal Hassan was always wrong.
Please don't.
Today,
I saw you on stage with Kamal Hassan.
Today, out of desperation, he wants to survive in the reflected glory.
I will work.
Let me speak.
He wants
to survive in the...
You said I'm proud to be associated with Kamal Hassan. You said.
Going to happen.
Raj Shekharan, don't be a political chameleon.
Kamal Hassan, I am 100% sure Rajinikanth will not support Kamal Hassan.
I'll have Advocate Sridhar countering you.
I throw the open challenge to everybody.
Rajinikanth
will not support Kamal Hassan. Either he will support BJP at least, not Kamal Hassan.
You will change your word every minute. Every 1 year you take one new party. And now you are coming...
No, friendship has nothing to do with politics. No, what rubbish. Nonsense this is. Friendship has nothing to do with politics. Friendship is totally different. And for your kind information, Rajinikanth doesn't consider friendship as being a political leader.
You cannot say that. You cannot come and attack personally on this. They are enjoying every day in the very statement made very clear that he was enjoying about...
Sridhar, I am more competent than you to speak about M&M because I am the founder member. You later on came in. You know how you came into the party. I am a founder member of Kamal Hassan's party. I am more competent. I have the authority to speak. You don't have. Come on. How can you challenge me? I have all the right to say so. I was a founder member of the party. I have all the right to say.
In any party. I am in a single party. Not changing every...
What nonsense, Sridhar? Don't have the audacity to challenge me. It was me who formed the party. It was me who formed the party. I know what is Kamal Hassan. Don't make a false impression. Don't make fake. Don't go by the fakery and WhatsApp bakeries.
You are more responsible than saying. You know about everything and you speak about him bad.
That's why I'm telling. I'm speaking the truth. I can't damn for anything. I'm speaking the truth. Rajinikanth will not support Kamal Hassan. It's open challenge to anybody. I challenge. Because I know what is Rajinikanth.
Srinivasan, is it better? Mr. Srinivasan, can you stop your personal squabble on live television?
That is my point.
What's wrong with all of you? People are commenting from Chennai that this seems like two school friends who have broken up. Please don't behave like this on live television, both of you. A serious program, behaving like school children. Raj Shekharan, what's wrong with you? Huh? Some old fight going on. Now my question is, Mr. Srinivasan, I don't care about your personal fight. Mr. Srinivasan, is it better if Rajinikanth stays away now? It's going to be very messy, you see. It will be very messy, Mr. Srinivasan, I think. Because Rajinikanth may end up, antagonizing himself at this stage of his of his career, is it risky for him to choose one side?
Hello? Hello, sir.
I'm not able to follow
Mr.
your question.
Srinivasan, is it risky for Rajni sir to choose any one side? I'm just saying, is it risky?
Exactly.
Is it too much of a risk for Rajni sir to choose
Exactly,
one
sir.
side?
Yes. Now he is not starting a party. His vote bank is untested. Suppose if he supports the XRY, then suppose that XRY defeated in the elections, then his popularity
Gets dented. So it is better he is not giving voice to anybody. Let him keep quiet and concentrate on sleep. That is the only way out for him. Whenever he is fit, he wants to start a party, let him start and contest the elections. Let him not support anybody in the coming elections. Formally, Kamal requested for his support in 2019 election parliament election, but Rajni did not extend his support. So let him keep quiet during these elections. And if he starts a party, then it is well and good. Let him not support any party, whether Kamal or BJP or ADMK. Let him not support. It is better he has to keep quiet. The general public in Tamil Nadu feels that if he is not starting a party, let him not give a voice. Let him not give a voice to anybody. Because always his voice is not heard by Tamil Nadu people. Only in 96 it was heard.
That point I...
98, 2004 it was not heard properly. So if he gives voice, suppose that the particular party is defeated, then Rajinikanth's popularity will also get dented. So let him keep quiet during this election. That is my point.
I want to, therefore, my next question was to Khushbu. Khushbu, you see, I believe you are also running the risk of, you're constantly making an outreach to Rajni. Today also your party General Secretary C.T. Ravi, I think his name is, he said he has always stood to protect national interest and sort of indicating that Rajnikant will eventually support the BJP. Now what if he doesn't? What if he doesn't? You have put indirectly so many messages in the public domain, but it is true now that...
Please do not add full stop commas or exclamation marks on your own. Our General Secretary, C.T. Ravi ji, said that Mr. Rajnikant has always backed people with national interest. And that is what it says, because that is why Rajni sir wanted to come into politics. He had national interest. He wants the nation to grow. He wants the people of this country to live very comfortably. And that's what he's always maintained. I mean, he's not somebody who would come into politics because his name same. No. He's got everything with
part of an NDA alliance, no? You wanted him as part of an NDA alliance, right? I mean, see, Khushbu, your honesty has been one of your virtues ever since you came into politics, and it is also because of your honesty that you left the Congress and joined the BJP. Please be honest with me tonight. You are hoping that he indirectly supports the NDA alliance.
No, why there's indirect? We have been very direct. If we need the support, we will seek the support. But we have not seek Mr. Rajni's support. Not even one.
It's like the BJP would have liked to have Saurav Ganguly in Bengal. But the problem is Saurav Ganguly is also not willing to make a political commitment.
This very first, what he said with the Prime Minister is something very personal.
Sometimes very, very popular figures, they get nervous before actually entering politics.
Who gets nervous? Sorry, you broke in, Victor. I couldn't hear you.
But the BJP is not saying in Bengal, we hope Saurav Ganguly joins the BJP. But in Tamil Nadu, you're sort of indicating, we hope Rajnikant joins or supports the BJP. You're making enough outreach.
No, we are
they not making the outreach? Apsara, tell me. Apsara, is Khushbu's party not making an indirect outreach? No, Apsara, you tell me. Khushbu won't agree with me. Apsara, you tell.
It's even true.
You're making an outreach.
I just want to make a few remarks. I've been hearing the debate. Arnab, I think first of all, I think as far as AIDMK is concerned, a lot of people have excellent relationships with Rajnikant, but I don't think him backing us or otherwise will make a difference. As far as BJP is concerned, I think BJP has done excellent work for the state of Tamil Nadu. Mr. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have done great work along with AIDMK for the state. We can stand on our own merits with or without Rajnikant.
Are you announcing some kind of an alliance with the BJP?
BJP and ADMK have already announced an alliance. It's not for me to announce it now.
Support. Now with Rajni's support, a larger
Rajni can
alliance.
support whoever he wants. Rajni can support anybody he wants to support, but we're not reaching out to him. That is the point.
Support
I think
both
this whole
of you.
fight for Rajni is a TV studio fight and not really on the ground.
Oh, you're all working together. Of course, it's not a TV studio fight. BJP, ADMK with Rajni's support.
Right for this year, but we are also being, smiling at you because you know what you're saying is absolutely wrong. You're trying to put words in our mouth, but that's not working today, Arnav.
No, ADMK also has been looking for a face. ADMK does not have a recognizable all India kind of face. And they lost the Lok Sabha election.
We have a
They're working with you, but Rajni's support will make you a more formidable alliance, I think. Okay, I'll wish you all Happy New Year at this point. And I will continue to chase Rajni sir for an interview. I met him 3 years back. 3 years back when he came to Mumbai, 3.5 years back just before we launched Republic. I have never spent as much time with anyone trying to convince them for an interview as he have, and I've never waited for as long as an interview. I was really hoping it happens with the launch of his party, but I won't give up. And when that happens, we'll ask him the questions, get it straight from him. To everyone on our panel, Happy New Year. And wish you all the best of health, prosperity and success in 2021. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to all of you.